Alright, our grease is hot, real hot. Let's keep going. Now, I know you want to see this. Oops, one on the edge. And I'm using avocado oil, very high temperature cooking oil. And these are a lot more like Grandma's elephant ears. That one puffed up a little too much. But these have a lot more the look of them. So I'm on the right path. Next time, I'm gonna see how crunchy they are. Yeah, I was sleeping and I didn't get much sleep. If you saw that crazy thing I did, oh, you probably didn't. Well, my Facebook friends did. I found a way of, I found how to heal myself in a way. And it's through my temporal jaw muscles and the way I crushed them. Or reactivated the backs of my jaws because I've been missing teeth in the back. And it activated something in my spine. It was pretty cool. That started healing me. And so it caused a full skeletal shift last night in the right direction. So everything's a little bit more lined up today. Here, let you watch. Okay. Set them over for a second. I've already turned the oil's temp down because when you just have light items like that in there, bam, goes fast. Powdered sugar. Quiet. Alright, and we carefully move our oil. I shouldn't have had that handle sticking out as far as I did because of the fact that I, oops, all of a sudden fall out of nowhere. Alright, hope Grandma Ernst be proud of me because I think I did pretty good here. We got a nice looking product. And nothing like that powdered sugar moment when everything goes Snow White. And we've got little showtime, snow time on Grandma's elephant ears. I haven't had them for years. I wonder how many nerds family haven't had these and realized that I just made them for like 20 cents. And yeah, a little taste of Minnesota, a little taste of Grandma, a little taste of home. Y'all remember what Grandma and Grandpa's house smelled like? Yeah. That's what's up. Beautiful.